Guys, this is the World Trade Center and we are now here because of the Pet Expo 2025. Lakas ah. Excited much? Dito na muna tayo. Sarado pa. Sarado pa tata. Sarado. Dito ata. Hall A, ayan o. Ay, doon. Okay. Ayun lang. Demonetize.
Tinawag ako ng babae, dito daw.
Pai. Pai. Happy ang pay-pay ko? Oh. Meron? Nasa loob? Oh, talaga? Tingnan ko. 10% off. Nasa loob pala. Mamaya, titignan ko. Eto tayo guys, samantalahin ko lang itong pagkakataon na to kasi para hindi rin ma-demonetize yung video ko. Pag pupunta kayo dyan, dala kayo ng jacket, oh my god. Tapos dali nyo yung vaccination card ninyo at siguraduhin ninyo na full loaded ang inyong cellphone kasi ang dami-daming mga dyan, items na kailangan i-follow and i-like nyo sila sa FB or somewhere na kung ano man yung ipapagawa nila through online. Lahat yan may mga freebies halos. Lahat yan pipila nga lang kayo. So simulan nyo na ng maagang pumila tapos ang gawin nyo, i-organize ninyo yung pag-ikot ninyo para hindi kayo mahirapan. Okay! Hi guys! Now I'm with Ivy. And we're now here at the Pet Expo at World Trade Center 2025. Let me tour you here inside.
Congratulations. Dito sa nasabihan mo kami. Kita mo kami kita.
Guys, this is just a bird's eye view. The venue is very large. It will be very hard for me to roam around and there are lots of people inside. Actually guys, we are just in a seller's area. There are lots of pet products here and cat products.
Again, please invite everybody to stand up. If you find you ma'am, I'll take the effort. You can be a member of our Facebook page, Makoy Roman's Philippines. And we're always ready to assist you if you have issues with your French Bulldog, with their diet, or allergies, or food intake. We'll be needing to help you. And
Now let's go directly to the pets available in this venue. Ah, this one. Okay, same familiar thing. Ay, ang cute naman ng container.
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, another big round of applause for Miss Ann Oh!
Sherbill!
Yes. Ma'am, pasalamatan din natin yung ating mga booking antlers right here. Let's have a one photo po.
Look, Eddie. See?
Thank you, Miss Ann Oh. Thank you very much, ma'am. Now, of course, Miss Ann Oh will just be around if you want to learn from the expert, just like Miss Ann Oh right here. Please make sure to approach her, no? Nandito lang siya sa Dogre. I'm pretty much sure Miss Ann Oh is going to go around, Isabella.
Of course, I want to tell you if anyone of you is interested, just approach them.
Oh, yes. Like what we mentioned, you know what, Road Pet Expo would not be able to be a huge success just like this without our partners.
Without their support, hindi natin kaya ang
Oh, sugar glider.
Please give yourself a round of applause, everybody! Question ko sa lahat ng mga bumisita today. At sa mga gusto pa bumisita sa next 3 days natin, please check out 150 plus of our exhibitors that has prepared something for all of you that is free, good deals, no promos. Before we introduce you to our next guest speaker, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our friend over here, that has been with us for many years now, supporting us at Broadway Services International. I'd like to welcome up here on stage, Mr. Rick Akeres. Sir Rick Akeres, please join us here, sir. Baka pwede samahan niyo pa yung Miss Alamo and Miss Sir Hernan. Okay, Sir Rick, good afternoon, sir. Alright, Sir Rick, quickly, please talk about your company, sir. Let's get it straight. Thank you, sir.
And about the things today, we've been among one that's for so many events now. And we're very excited.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And now, you also said something over there.
Oh, crystals.
boutique. And of course, we have Retro, which is ACI.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, hindi kayo po sa mga sir, hindi mo din sa mga Alaga mo, kaya naman pala nandito siya. Sir, hindi, rock po lang po ka lang po sa mga sa bahay. Okay. That's nice. Okay. Again, Sir Vicky, thank you very much for partnering with us. And of course, Exhibit as always, has been supporting us. Then, and of course, the company of Sir Vicky, PSCI, Solar Design, UB Design, and Exhibit. Thank you very much, sir. And of course, we're awarding this token to you, sir, your participation to World Pet Expo 2025, sir. Thank you very much, sir. As I will go na po, sir, on video po.
Siyempre, truly, world best, never fails to be world class event. And with this World Best Expo, yun na yung natin. At siyempre, isa kami sa natutuwa na nagbibigay kayo ng kaligayahan sa ating
Thank you po, thank you.
Okay guys,
Let's go.
me and IB signing off. That's all we can see here at this Pet Expo. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's very noisy here.
And commitment and success to the organizing the inaugural World
Bye.
Expo in the Philippines.